Okay, we're going to talk about why anything to the 0 equals 1. So first, here's the rule. Anything to the 0 equals 1. Anything to the 0 equals 1. This means to the when you're typing. So anything to the 0 equals 1. Okay, so here's why. We're going to use 3. So we know, let's get rid of this real quick. Sorry about that. So we know 3 to the 1 is 3. We know 3 squared is equal to 3 times 3, which is 9. 3 to the 3 equals 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. We could keep moving up this, and every time we move up an exponent, it means we're multiplying by 3, right? We're multiplying by 3 every time we move up an exponent, which would mean every time we go down an exponent, we would divide by 3, which makes sense because 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 3 to the 0, if we kept following this pattern, we would go down, we would have to divide by 3. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. So that's how we get anything to the 0 is equal to 1. We talked about this in class, but 3 to the negative 1, we're going to keep dividing by 3, which would make a fraction. 3 to the negative 2 would also divide by 3. So what we need to kind of think about, here's a little thought bubble, here's Miss Adler's thinking, is if we want to divide by 3, we have to do 1/3 divided by 3, which is 1/3 times 1/3, which is 1/9. Let's write that in red, sorry. 1/9. Okay? So, really what I want you to think about, though, is why is anything to the 0 equal to 1? It's because as you move down an exponent, you're dividing. We can do that with any number we want, right? 5 to the 1 is 5. 5 to the 2 is 5 times 5, which is 5 times 5, which is 25. Again, each time we go down, we divide by 5. When we go up, we times by 5. So if we go here, we're going to have to divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 is in fact 1.